Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the cassette on your Wahoo Kickr. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a chain whip, a cassette lock-ring tool, an adjustable wrench, and of course, your brand new cassette. Make sure your new cassette has the correct number of speeds, like an 11-speed or 12-speed, to match your bike's drivetrain. Having a clean rag handy will also be super helpful for any quick cleanups during the process. Now let's get that old cassette off. First, ensure your Kickr is stable. Take your chain whip and wrap it around one of the larger cogs to prevent the cassette from spinning. Then, insert your cassette lock-ring tool into the center. Using your adjustable wrench, turn the lock-ring tool counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen. Once the lock-ring is off, carefully slide the entire old cassette straight off the free hub body. It should come off quite easily. Before we put on the new cassette, it's a great idea to give your Kickr free hub body a quick clean. Take your clean rag and wipe down all the splines, removing any old grease, dirt, or tiny metal shavings. This ensures a smooth fit for your new cassette. Some people like to apply a very thin, almost invisible, layer of grease to the free hub body. This can help prevent the cassette from seizing over time and makes future changes even easier. A clean free hub is a happy free hub. Finally, let's install your shiny new cassette. Carefully align the splines on the cassette with those on the free hub body. Slide the cassette on, making sure each cog seats perfectly. Once it's fully on, thread the lock ring back on by hand, turning it clockwise until it's finger tight. Then, use your cassette lock ring tool and adjustable wrench to tighten it firmly. A good rule of thumb is to tighten it to about 40 Newton meters, ensuring it's secure and there's absolutely no wobble or play. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.